So this remedy is just specially for you ladies. Like, this is just so awesome. If you take this, you will never have those smelling discharge. When you take this, you just be smelling so fresh and no more infection. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome, and I really appreciate you. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you what to use, like something you should take to get rid of those bacterial infection, yeast infection, and itchiness down there. You want to smell fresh all the time. You want to always look down there and feel tighter. Keep watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share it to everyone. Let's go. So to make that area to be tighter, to keep it clean and fresh, the first ingredient you have to get is turmeric. So we're actually going to be making use of just 2 ingredients, and they are very effective. So here we have powdered turmeric. You can make use of any kind of turmeric. The fresh one is also okay. So what you have to do is to get a bowl, because you have to mix it up with hot water. Make sure everything is clean, okay? So you have to add about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons, depending the quantity you want to make. So here is 1 tablespoon, and this will go a long way. So turmeric here is actually very important. You can get it from food stores where food things are sold. You can get it from supermarkets. It helps the body to naturally cleanse the system. It cleans the wound to get rid of infections or leftover old bloods. So this is very important, especially after period. Ladies need to take care of dandruff, especially after the menstrual times, okay? So that to avoid leftover tissues and blood that will just end up causing infections and all that. So turmeric contains antibiotics and antiseptic properties, which is very important to take care of inside and out. So this remedy I'm preparing, you can drink it or use it to wash. Yes, it's a dual effect. When you drink it, it's going to help to cleanse you from the inside. And when we use it to wash down there, it's going to take care of the infection and itchiness, smelling odor down there, okay, on the surface. So this is actually very good, and you have to make use of it the right way. If you have the fresh turmeric, all you have to do is to get about 4 or 5 turmeric roots, blend it or cook it, just cook it, and use the water to drink or wash down there. So right now I'm going to add in water, yes, a very hot water. Then I'll show you the next thing to do. So I'm going to pour in enough water, about half a liter. This is just about 3 or 4 glasses, okay? And this is perfect. So after that, the next thing to do is to quickly introduce the next ingredient, because you don't have to waste any time. So the next one we have here is parsley, and here is parsley flakes. If you do not have parsley, you can make use of scent leaf, or you can call it holy basil. So this is actually the dry parsley leaf. I got it from the supermarkets. Very effective. So you can use the fresh one if you want, if you have. I think that would be better, but this works very well for me, and I love it so much. Adding parsley here will help so much greatly, because it's one of the best herbs for treating urinary tract infections. It contains antibiotic properties and is also very tightening. So this is very important to add. Like, seriously, it's going to help to not only to fight infection, it's going to also help to tighten up down there and make it firmer and very lubricating. You know what I mean? This will not make you get dry. Like, seriously, it's just going to, just balance the pH of down there and make sure you're always smelling fresh and tighter. So I'm going to add the right amount into this water, okay? So here is 1 tablespoon of parsley flakes or dry parsley leaf. After adding it, you have to mix it just like this, just like this. The water is really so hot right now, so you have to soak it as it's still hot. Leave it on for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, after that, it's going to ferment and infuse properly well, so that when you use it, all the vital nutrients, all the important vitamins will be infused out and work properly. So this is just the right way to take care of dandruff, flush out infection, and make sure you're always looking very neat and fresh all the time. With this, if you don't have infection, you smell fresh all the time. With this, you will always be confident, like always confident. So when you drink this, it's going to do so many things in your body. It will help to balance the pH of your body. It will help to boost immune. Yes, it boosts immunity. This will also help to take care of your heart health, your liver health, and the rest, because the turmeric mostly is very effective. For those that are battling with so much weight gain, this can actually make you to lose those weight of yours, especially your belly fats. So this is a wonderful tip for you to try, and you will love it. So I'm going to leave it on for some time, about 30 minutes to 1 hour, to soak properly. Then I'll be right back. When everything is well soaked, I will just strain it out just like this, using my strainer. Of course, this is very important, to get rid of all these particles, because you won't be able to drink it or wash with all these particles. So it's time to either transfer it into your glass. This remedy can be stored in a flask, a hot flask, to be taken it 1 glass in the morning and 1 glass at night. This will help you greatly to fight infection. So you can just wash with it. Just take some amount of this, just use it to wash that area, like it's going to help a lot. So, when you wash it, you have to dip your hand as if you are washing the inner parts. Use the water to wash it without making use of any soap, okay? So this is just the right way to balance dandruff. Make sure you're tighter. This is just a perfect remedy for ladies. Yes, if you smell fresh all the time, there won't be any bad odor, and all these offensive discharges, it won't be there anymore. So just use it the right way and come and thank me later. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed yet, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Also turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. I'll see you in my next video.